For example, you are a student and you are looking for a job. Can I create a resume in Canva? If you ask that one, yes, we can create a resume also in a Canva. How to create a resume? Again, go to home. Okay, then here search for a resume. Okay, resume selected. It will be in a A4 size only, so that you can directly take a print, download and take a print. Here we have a different templates here for a resume, for a professional resume. You can see these type of the resumes are nowadays popular, right? We can see here professional resume. Okay, you can select any of the design. Okay, you can select the design. You can change the photo. How to change the photo? Very simple. We should upload it in a, already it should be uploaded in a Google Drive. Go to more option, Google Drive. If you already uploaded, connect it to a Google Drive. If it is not connected, allow, it will be directly connected to a Google Drive. From Google Drive, you can select one particular image. Okay, one particular image, and that particular image you have to select and drag it to that particular circle, so that it will be inserted there. Okay, like this you can change the image. Similarly, you like to change the content. Okay, and you need to zoom here, 100% you will take, and will start creating a content. For here your name, what designation you are right now, and personal profile, like what are the things you done so far, you can write it here. Okay, and work experience, like what are the experience, if you have any internship you have been done, you can give the name of the internship, what was the designation, where you have been done, the company name, from when to the date, and you can say here, and what you have been done there, you can give 2 or 3 points. Okay, and educational history you can give. These are the major thing we need to show it in a resume. You can create a single page resume where you can give all the information. Okay, you are giving all the information so that one can able to connect with you very easily. So here you can give the information like education, last two education, like graduation and post graduation, like that. You can give the education history, where you have been studied, what are the achievements you have been done, or what are the projects you have been done in your academics, you can give that one here. Okay, with the score you can give. And here you can start, like give your address. Okay, contact address, email. If you have any website, you can, we already shown you how to create a website by using a Google site. That particular website also you can give it here. And you can take a LinkedIn profile. Okay, then we'll show you how to create a LinkedIn profile. From LinkedIn profile also you can connect to a your recruiter. And the skills, like what are the things you have been done so far. For example, if you taken our course, you will be learn about the digital marketing and office management tools. You have been learned about business analytics. Okay, all these tools and softwares you can list out here. And awards received. Okay, if you haven't done any achievements, like any events you won prize, those awards detail also you can give. Okay, like this we can edit everything. Just double click and edit here. Okay, so that this information you can give any information you don't have. If you think that LinkedIn profile is not there, delete, select and delete. Like this you can select and delete. So this type of this type of resume will attract everyone, because you have been given your uh, photo, your name, your profile, your summary, everything is there in a single page. No need to worry about creating a 3 page 5 page resume. Okay, we can create a single page resume by using a Canva. Then you can download that by using a in a PDF format. Just download it in a PDF format. Anytime you can utilize that particular software, that particular file. Okay, you can take a print of the PDF which you have been downloaded. It will be very easy to create a attractive resume in a Canva. Okay, once you have been created a resume, you can change the name here. For example, a resume like this. I have been created a name. For example, if you like to know that where it will be stored, if you close this one also, it will be recorded in your the designs you have been done so far. Okay, here it will be updated. If you refresh the page, it will be upload each and everything you have been done so far. What are the things we have been done so far? It will be reflect here all your design section.